Connectors and useful expressions. What are connectors? Connectors are words or expressions we use to establish different types of relationships between words. We organize what we say in more logical, understandable way. Types of connectors: contrast, addition, example, sequence, time, purpose, result, and cause. Contrasts. They are used to oppose two ideas. For example, addition. We use them to ideas. For example, we use them to link sentence, paragraph, or ideas. For example, sequence. They help to organize ideas in chronological order so as to carry association of events. For example, time. They help organize a chronologically order in narrative. For example, purpose are used to generate a link between a sentence or ideas with the objective of expressing. For example, result. Help indicate a result. For example, cause. That show the cause of something. For example, some useful expression for easy and report writing. To present a topic. To grade formally. Some options. Sequence of ideas in a paragraph. Give order to the text, and some options are to express a personal opinion. We use to give an opinion about something. To express possibility and probability, we use to give a reason or probability. To express comparisons, we use to compare ideas, information, or text.